Welcome to our guide on how to share posts via direct message with a comment on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, click on the share icon from a post on your home timeline or from a post detail page. Next, select Send via direct message to initiate the sharing process via private message. In the pop-up menu, you have the option to enter the name of the person you wish to send the message to or choose from the suggested account list. Once you've selected the recipient, it's time to add a comment to personalize your message. Type in your comment to accompany the shared post, expressing your thoughts or providing context. Finally, click Send to deliver the message along with your comment to the chosen recipient. By following these steps, you can effortlessly share posts via direct message with a personalized comment on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your communication experience and engage with others in a more meaningful way. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Start sharing posts with comments and connecting with your network in a more interactive manner on Twitter.